Right now, LinkedIn is one of the best tools available to find you a job. But do you know how to use LinkedIn as a job search tool to its full potential? I'm Marat from EMMOTION, and in this video I'll share 10 steps to use LinkedIn effectively to get more interviews and more job offers, of course. Stick with me till the end to find out how to access unpublished and not advertised vacancies on LinkedIn, and if the LinkedIn Premium profile is worth paying for. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then definitely hit the subscribe and enable the notification bell so you won't miss out my weekly professional growth content. Also, thumb up this video if you feel it's been useful. First things first, if you want to find a job on LinkedIn, you first need to complete the setup of your LinkedIn profile and of course optimize it during your job search. It's important to build out your skills and endorsement section with relevant keywords for which you want to be found. Fill all the 50 slots available of skills which LinkedIn allows. This will help you to get spotted because recruiters are constantly searching LinkedIn for keywords. And this means you will be appearing in more searches. If you need ideas of what skills to put, take a look at your resume. Or check profiles of your colleagues or peers in your industry. This will serve you as an inspiration for your own profile. You might also want to check out my other LinkedIn videos. Then, once you optimized your profile, once you have a good profile photo, a headline, a complete summary, you are ready to step 2. Using LinkedIn Job Search Tool. You should use the LinkedIn Job Search Tool to find the desired role and the geographical locations you would be willing to move to. This will help you to focus your searches on the most suitable to your profile job positions and to get the most productive results. This is how it's done. Type the position you are looking for in the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn page or directly in LinkedIn Jobs page. Let me search for software engineer role. When the results come up, select jobs located just below the search bar. Then add your desired city, region or country. Your results should look similar to this video. Now let's check out software engineer position based in New York. You may decide if you wish to add more filters to your search. LinkedIn makes this very easy as there are several filters at the top of the page. You can filter the results by when the job was listed. This allows you to select the jobs posted in the last 24 hours, the past week, the past month, or at any time. Then you can filter by your target companies using the company filter. You can make your results even more relevant by using experience level filter. The ease of use is very useful. It takes less than a minute and only a few clicks to have a very customized, filtered list of jobs in your search area. Step 3. Take advantage of the Easy Apply. You can apply to jobs directly on LinkedIn via their Easy Apply feature. Once you have finished filtering your search, you can begin to go through the search results, looking for good matches. If a job offers Easy Apply function, you can submit your details and even attach your resume in just a few clicks without ever leaving LinkedIn. This is ideal because it saves you a lot of time and you don't need to work on any cover letters either. Keep in mind that if you only see the Apply button instead of Easy Apply, you'll be redirected to the company's website or job board to continue the application process. If you don't have the time to do that, you could just save the job you are interested in to check it out later. Step 4. Make your LinkedIn profile visible. You need to allow anyone to see your profile by changing your public profile visibility. This is how you show your public profile. Click Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click View Profile, edit Public Profile and URL on the right rail. Make your profile public. Under Edit Visibility section on the right side, select which sections you would like to display or hide. Your basic information is displayed by default. The changes made will be saved automatically. This way you allow recruiters, potential employers, former colleagues and anyone else with an interest to take a look. And the more professionals are seeing what you have to offer, the more chances of job opportunities will be generated. Step 5. Identify your target companies on LinkedIn and follow them. Make your list with target companies, the companies you'd like to work at, if you haven't yet. Find those companies on LinkedIn and follow them. This way you'll be able to follow up on what's happening with their business, on their posts and news. This is how it's done. Click the search box at the top of your LinkedIn page and type the name of the company you are looking for. Press Enter. Click the More drop-down and select Companies. Click Follow button next to the company name in the search results lists, or you can click on the company name and visit the company's LinkedIn page to see what they post and what kind of information they provide. There is a follow button there as well. Step 6. Identify the key connections at your target companies. One of LinkedIn's strengths is its ability to help you locate key players at the companies for which you would like to work for. The way to do this is to use LinkedIn's search or advanced search to find people at your target companies in the field you would like to work in. The easiest way of doing this is the same way as while searching for a company, through the search bar at the top of your page. Select the LinkedIn member from the suggestions in the drop-down. Once you've found the person you are looking for, select the member's name to view his or her profile. They don't have to carry the exact job title that you are looking for. They could just be in the same department or work for those companies as recruiters. Step 7. Get connected with these key professionals. There are a few ways of getting noticed by professionals at your target companies and eventually getting connected with them. First, follow these people at your target companies which you've identified. Show your profile while visiting their profiles. Don't browse anonymously. This is how you do it. Click the Me at LinkedIn homepage. Select Settings and Privacy. Click Visibility. In the Visibility section, click Change next to the profile viewing options. Select the mode you'd like to browse in. Check their posts. Interact with them by liking or commenting on those. After some time, ask to connect with them using a personalized message, not the default LinkedIn empty template. Remember, don't ask them for a job at this point. Build these professional connections with time. The worst thing you can do once you get connected with them is to ask them to do something for you immediately. It's selfish and it puts many people off. Wait until there's been enough interaction, and the right moment eventually comes up. Aside from the key players, identify and connect with the recruiters in your industry. LinkedIn is as much as a search engine as Google, but focused on finding professionals, recruiters, companies, jobs. Search and connect with recruiters, especially with recruiters in your industry. For example, if you are in marketing, you could search for marketing recruiters.
Start your LinkedIn search with the search bar at the top. Type your query, marketing recruiter in this case. Choose a people search from the options offered. View these profiles, and once you've found the person you are looking for, follow the same steps as while getting connected with your target company connections.
Often you'll find recruiters, hiring managers, or HR staff post something like "looking to hire a certain role," with a link to a description of the role. Try searching through the update feed using hashtags like vacancy, hiring, sales jobs, or whatever else is appropriate for your job search. Not every update features a job posting, but a lot will. Another way of doing it is through LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups are a place for professionals in the same industry or with similar interests to share their insights and experiences. You can join up to 100 LinkedIn groups at the same time, and there are groups based on everything imaginable. There are many LinkedIn groups that exist to help people with their job search. To find groups, click on the work icon at the top right of your LinkedIn page. A drop-down menu will offer you several options, including an option for groups. LinkedIn groups usually have jobs relevant to their field, and some groups can be very active. This is why this could be another way of finding jobs which are not listed on the LinkedIn's paid job posting service. And finally, is LinkedIn Premium worth it? Premium is primarily intended for current job hunters, recruiters, and those looking to get new clients for their business. If you are currently in the process of looking for a job, it is definitely a good time to try out the trial version of LinkedIn Premium, because the real benefit of Premium is additional job hunting features. Among the attractive of LinkedIn Premium features for job seekers is the ability to see data for everyone who has viewed your profile. It also gives you an access to applicant and salary insights, so you can see how you compare to other candidates in the field. With LinkedIn Premium account, you can also see how you stack up against other candidates that applied for the position. In terms of skills, in terms of seniority, education, location, etc. It also shows a percentage here, which means you are in the top 25 among all the applicants based on their LinkedIn profile. Also, LinkedIn Premium service gives you an inside look on the company's hiring trends, including who they hire and from where, overall health and growth of the company, so you could see if it matches with your expectations. As always, thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please thumb it up and share it with whoever you think it would be beneficial to. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, and see you in my next video coming up.